What's up? It's your boy, Keyboard Man, back again, Yunzii's #1 employee. And we got another keyboard from Yunzii. It's an AL68, so it's aluminum, 65% keyboard, and it's wireless. So that's pretty much it. Let's get it open. User guide, quick start guide, box of accessories. You already know they gutted nice and snack wrapped. I like that specific shade of gray. It like almost match my wool. It's like thunder gray. I like it. It's nice and heavy. I like small aluminum keyboards. You don't get them often. You know, my favorite keyboard of all time as of right now is the Yunzii AL66. We love that thing. It's freaking awesome. I love the clear keycaps and stuff. Yeah, so the only difference between that one and this one is that this one has a knob. So I actually like the knob. It's pretty useful. On a 65% keyboard, you know, that's pretty cool, hard to find. And like I said, I really like the gray. I love aluminum. Nothing on the side, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the side. We got your Type-C port, your dongle, and then your mode switch, wireless, wired, and Bluetooth. And then on the back, we have another mirror. Wow. Then they have the little mountain symbol. You got your rubber feet. No extendo clip, nothing like that. It's just your set height. I just like the weight to it. There's also a little RGB like right there. What do we get for accessories? We have a keycap and switch puller. Nice. Type A to Type C cable. That's about 1.8 meter. These would be the switches. You already know we go Gateron every time, baby. There's two other options, but we pick the Gaterons. And we get two of those. Yeah, I'm gonna change out the keycaps. It came with some extra ones. Look, they gave me like purple arrow keys and a different enter key. They gave me some stuff for Apple. I'm not gonna use that, but I'm gonna switch those out. Let's do it. All right, and then we have escape and enter. Alright, now we got a cool, cute little extra color scheme. I like that. That's adorable. Okay, let's do a quick sound test. See if this works. Alright. Take a look at the RGB. This looks nice. Go through the different lighting modes real quick. I'm gonna just flash through them. You ready for it? First impressions, if you will. Obviously, I love Yunzii. I love aluminum keyboards. It's nice, compact. I like the color. I like the extra keycaps that they gave me. What's up, it's your boy, and now we're gonna do the gaming test. I never really did my segue because my microphone died, so here we are. Let's do it. Let's go, baby. And we got help.
Mission area. Got it?
What's up there? Headed on travel tip. The right credit card, interdimensional trip, get crazy extra miles.
Invisible?
Oh boy.
Vortex field. Turning up the heat.
Getting some damage in there. Oh yeah, get wrecked. Oh my god, you're just getting healed. Who's healing back there?
Disappear!
I'm switching. I've had it.
What am I? Invisible?
Oh, God, you had me!
Bro, who... Can somebody stop healing Doctor Strange?
mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Spider-Man ulting on me right now?
To victory!
Better watch your back.
Yo, where's this group?
Shield
Let's go.
us against the world.
This isn't doing anything, guys. Smash like, unsubscribe. Ah! I panic. I have one kill. That's embarrassing. I don't know what to do. That's it. I'm going cloak and dagger. I'm panicking.
You get a web it! You get a web it! You get a web!
Disappear.
That's the boost I needed.
That's much better.
Oh no! Stop Cap!
So cold. I'll get you next time. A form of life. Oh my! Invisible? Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
with big power. That's the boost I needed. Sorry, soldier.
Only 60 seconds left.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Bro.
Us against the world. Us against the world.
I'm stuck.
That's the
I'm
boost
stuck
I
in a
needed.
root.
My step?
Sorry, soldier. I'm hurt.
You owe me one.
Sorry, soldier. A soldier's soldier. If we deliver this essence, we might stand a chance.
Enemy located.
Nice.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
This guy is just. How often does his ult charge up?
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I don't understand Spider-Man.
Shine.
Am I supposed to be? I don't know if that impressive or not, but I'm confused.
You get a web it! You get a web it! You get a web!
Us against the world. You owe me one. There. Don't turn back now.
Nice.
Only 60 seconds left. The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Us against the world.
Uh-oh, it sure looks like a portal.
You have to go underneath the surface of this planet. Anyone willing to help?
Together to victory!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I am through!
After my step?
Don't blink. Help. We need to get Null's essence beneath the surface. Just embrace the light.
So that's why bringing true power.
Where am I? Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
That's the boost
Or a
I
dagger.
needed.
Just embrace the light. Feeling fantastic.
After my step?
Us against the world. You owe me one.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
We have to go underneath the surface of this planet? Ew. 60 seconds left.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Against the world!
It's just you. Run. Oh my god, bro.
Double KO!
This Spider-Man has just been targeting me all game, and it's starting to hurt my feelings.
Much better.
Hey, we make a pretty good team.
Hey, no one's healing this fucking dude.
Don't mess with the amazing
Oh, never mind.
Spider-Man!
Yeah, he's almost dead.
So close! This is your big chance! The final 10 seconds!
Oh my god, yes. All I want is to kill the Spider-Man.
Us against the world! You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Another epic victory! Big win!
What? How is that a win, bro? Huh? I guess we locked in? I'll take it, bro. Hey, Yunzii AL68. Buy it. It made me win. Smash like, subscribe, buy it. I love this thing. It's freaking awesome. Sounds good, feels good. 10 out of 10. Yunzii, send me more. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Peace.